My countertop should look like this. But I make mistakes. After watching this video, you can avoid these mistakes. When you're working with so low quality wood, make sure to prepare the gluing surfaces properly. If, like me, you use damp boards, the panel will crack after gluing and will also start to warp. Realizing my mistake, I tried to fill the cracks with glue and apply wood filler. The more the wood dried out, the more cracks appeared. Sometimes you end up having to use damp wood, but all is not lost. You'll just have to put in a little extra work on finishing the wood once it's dry. You'll need to apply glue and filler, then plane and sand it down. My major problem is to know how to use this thing properly. This big wood clamp made for gluing boards, but it's so easy to use. I will show you all with this. Just tiny clamp. All clamps cause the wood to warp during gluing. The tighter you clamp them, the more the wood warps. Do you use another type of clamps? Tell please in a comment section. When we use clamp like this, wood is starting to warp all the time. You can use another type of wood clamps, professional wood clamps. It's hold wood in 2 dimensions, or you can add some bottom layer from plywood or OSB. If you have an idea but no blueprint, you'll have to keep reworking things and fixing mistakes. Wood from wood pallets, OSB material, and steel. Was I able to resolve all problems and finish kitchen? You will see in the next videos. See ya!